How to create add yours template on Instagram story. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create add yours template on Instagram. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. Now for this, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account and your app is up to date. Swipe right to access your story section, and you can add a story from here, or you can just create this background. Once you have done that, you can choose the background color, and once you have done that, go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see the smiley icon on the top, that is this sticker icon, or you can just swipe up on your screen. Here you will see different options for stickers like location, mentions, photos, and add yours. You will see this add yours template. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will have to select what you want to pin, or you can just add stickers to it. You can add random prompt like this as well. If you tap on the dice, Instagram will generate random prompts. So for example, if I want to add this song right here, I'm just going to tap on it and you'll have an option to pin the background so that everyone will see your background as a part of the template. Go ahead and tap on next. You will still be able to edit the template before you share it, so tap on continue. You can adjust this. You can adjust the size of it to add your template. And if you want to edit it again, just tap right here, tap on next, and then if you want to make your story more attractive, you can add more stickers like location or polls or music. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and share this on your story. Tap on share template. And everyone that sees your story will be able to add similar kind of template to their story. And that's how you can easily create add your template on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.